When driving, the maximum speed at Anglesey Aluminium is 15 miles per hour. Within a building, it is only 5 miles per hour. This is normal walking pace. Always maintain a safe braking distance of at least 3 truck lengths. Forklift truck stability can be affected by turning at speed. An unladen forklift truck can become unstable at only 3.8 miles per hour. Lateral stability can be affected by turning on slopes, driving over curbs, potholes or obstructions, and carrying live loads, uneven loads or using attachments. When entering or leaving buildings, dangers to look out for are the change in the speed limit, blind spots, change of light and pedestrians. So slow down, be prepared to stop. Sound your horn with several short blasts, as this is more audible than one long blast. Keep pedestrians away from vehicles. Operators be vigilant. Pedestrians be vigilant. Keep to designated walkways. Never take shortcuts.
Park in a safe area. Keep well clear of paths, fire points, blind spots, slopes, doorways, overhead conveyors, electric control panels. Handbrake on, out of gear, forks tilted forward and lowered to the ground, wheels straight. Key out to prevent unauthorised use of the truck. Now dismount. When dismounting, carry out all-round checks, including the floor area. Key out, look out, rear end out.